Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Kaspersky Security from your computer, Kaspersky Free Antivirus. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the search magnify icon down your taskbar, and you want to search for Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons and then select programs and features. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to go ahead and select Kaspersky Security Cloud and then select uninstall. Select yes. Select yes. Are you sure you want to uninstall Kaspersky Security Cloud? Select next. I'm going to not select any of these options and then select next again. Then remove. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to have to go ahead and reboot your computer. We're going to select no for right now because we're also going to uninstall Kaspersky VPN. And then we're going to select yes. Select next, next again, and then remove. So now we're going to go ahead and select restart because we will restart our computer. We've uninstalled everything. So that was a pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.